Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to use Freeform from Apple. So you can get Freeform application free from Apple. So let's get started. First, you can see on the left side is about everything you created in Freeform, and then in the middle you can click the pen button in here and you can create everything like text, icon, picture in here. Okay, first in the upper left you can change the name of your Freeform file project by clicking rename and set the name. You can duplicate or make a favorite, or you can hide the grid, or you can show grid. Okay, so there are 5 tools you can use in Freeform. On the first one is like a pen markup. You can write with your finger, or you can write with Apple Pencil. There are a bunch of tools you can choose, like eraser, pen, etc. You can set a note like this. You can set to pen high. Okay, or you can create using this one. Okay, you can auto minimize in here, or you can undo. Okay, the first one is a pen. This is, you can create a circle, or you can erase with eraser. You can set the size. Okay, that's the first tool. Next is like a sticky notes. You can double tap and you can write the notes in here, important or anything. Okay, you can drag and drop like this, or you can edit again by double click. Okay, next is icon. You can click this. You can see there is a bunch icon like basic, geometry, object, animals, nature, food, symbols, education, arts, science, people. Okay, if you want to use this by dragging in here. Okay, you can change the color by clicking the color in here. Okay, or choose any color in here. Okay, this, and then you can put your okay, next. This one you can change to back or front. After that, next is text. Hi everyone. Okay, like that. You can drag and drop. Next one, you can zoom in, zoom out using your finger. Okay, and the last one is you can import your photo or video, or you can use your camera, or you can scan or link or insert from your gallery. Okay, this can set like this one, add. Okay, and then you can use this. This is for share or export. You can print or save to document, and you can invite people or your friend, so you and your friend can edit together. Okay, you can send by mail or send using Google Drive, and that's it. That's how tutorial how to use Freeform. I hope this tutorial will help you to understand about using Freeform. See you on the next video. Bye.